Hi guys, welcome to NicheCraft. My name is Cassie and I'm not your host today, but baby is, because today we are going to be opening his Kitnip box. So Kitnip is a monthly subscription box for cats, and we've been subscribed to this for over a year. They do not sponsor me in any way. We just really like it, and we thought it would be fun to let baby have a day where he can be the host of this YouTube channel. So what we're going to do is we're going to open this box and we're going to see all the goodies that he got in his Kitnip box. And if you want to subscribe to Kitnip, I will go ahead and leave links in the description below. Alright guys? Okay, let's see what he has. Okay, let's open the box, baby. Oh, so this one says, we always have a thank you note. And it says, what is in my Kitnip box? So let's see what it is. Oh, it is a it is a camp themed, summer camp themed box. That is so cool. All right. So I just want to read this out so you guys know a little bit more about Kitnip. Thank you for supporting kitties in need with each box. A portion of our proceeds is donated to animal welfare causes. So I really think it's a great program, and baby obviously loves it. So let's open your box, baby. Let's see what you've got. Now, of course, his favorite part of it is probably going to be the box. But, oh, look here. We've got a horse camp cat toy. Do you like that? Alright, I'll open this one for you. So what you get is a few little cat toys. We get the one that has cat treats in them. So baby gets his cat treats as well. And usually you get a little wand like this. Oh boy, look at this. So we have a crinkle, like, summer camp totem pole. So I'm going to go ahead and open this one up too. Alright. Look at that. Do you like that crinkle toy? Yeah. This is the only time that baby gets his catnip. Uh-oh. We've got a kitty canoe filled with catnip. Look at that. What do you think about that? He's gonna start rolling around on the ground, I think. So here is his little kitty canoe that he gets. And of course, you know, these are just little silly cat toys, but he sure does love playing with them, don't you, baby? Yeah. Oh, it looks like we've got a campfire. All right, a kitty campfire, baby. Okay, so if you have a Kitnip box, I just want to say that you can get them without treats, or you can get them with special dietary needs in mind. And I do think that they even have multi-cat boxes. It's just that we end up getting just one a month because we can rotate the toys out between the cats. What do you think about this one? Oh, he loves feathers. He's got this one. He's picked out his favorite toy this time. Yes, he loves feathers. So we have a little friendship bracelet wand here. So let me take this one off so he can play with it. Now these wand toys, for those of you who craft, because this is really a craft channel with yarn, these are really great to have next to you when you are crocheting or knitting. A cat's hunting instinct is set off when they see that string moving around. So now that's a healthy thing. That's a healthy thing for a cat to get. So you'll get what's called aggressive play, and it'll be directed at the wrong thing, right, baby? But if you have a little wand toy like this and you can redirect the cat, then they still get to play and get that play out without getting into your yarn. So it's good to have something like this right in your project bag. So let's see. We have some skin and coat support. Shameless Pets Yam Good Scent. Okay, yam good salmon. Now he is a cat that likes to eat fish. So sometimes cats don't like to eat fish. Some of them just, it's not their taste, but he will. So let's see how he likes the treats. Okay, we're gonna have a test to see if he likes to eat these treats. Now I'm gonna say if my Persian cat's in this room, she's gonna be coming in soon to get her treats too. Doesn't look like she's in here. And anyway, so that is what we get in a kitnip box. We got 5 different, well 6 including the one, different little toys for him. And some of them are crinkle toys, some of them have different, sounds. We got these treats, and we got to know that some of the money that we spent on this kitnip box went back to pets in need, which is always a great feeling. And of course, I probably should have mentioned this. We also got a box with some paper that baby likes to play with, because at the end of the day he will come into this box and he'll fall asleep and he'll just love it. He's trying to get into the treats. He's trying to get back in. You like these, huh? Yeah, he ate 5 out of 5 treats, so I think that that's what he'd give this kitnip box. So now me and baby are going to go play, and I hope you enjoyed his kitnip box unboxing for the month of July.